Feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Popping multivitamin pills every morning but still dragging yourself through the day? Your body aches, your mind is foggy, and by evening you have zero energy left? Here's something pharmaceutical companies don't want you to know. Real energy doesn't come from pills. It comes from healing your body naturally. Today, I'm revealing an ancient Ayurvedic secret using just 3 ingredients that you take only once per week, and it delivers more strength than any expensive supplement. This is Health Morph, your source for natural health solutions that transform lives. Let's get started. Let me paint a picture. Does this sound familiar? You drag yourself out of bed feeling like you haven't slept at all. Your entire body feels heavy, every muscle, every joint screaming at you. You shower, gulp down coffee, and head to work, but your brain refuses to cooperate. Mid-afternoon hits, and whatever tiny spark of energy you had, gone, completely drained. You're staring at your screen, but nothing's registering. Your colleagues are talking, but you can barely focus on their words. Then you finally get home. Your family wants to spend time with you. Your kids want to play, but you just collapse. No energy, no motivation, just exhaustion. So what do millions of people do? They spend hundreds of dollars on multivitamins, energy supplements, protein powders, anything promising a quick fix. But here's what they don't tell you. These synthetic supplements only give temporary stimulation. They're band-aids on bullet wounds. They spike your energy artificially, then crash you even harder. You're not healing, you're just masking the real problem. Real energy requires 3 things working in harmony: efficient digestion, turning food into fuel, optimal blood circulation, delivering oxygen to every cell, and a balanced nervous system managing your body's energy distribution. This is exactly what Ayurveda, 5,000 years of proven wisdom, has been addressing all along. Today's formula combines 3 incredibly powerful herbs. And here's what makes this special. You only need to take it once per week. That's right, just 7 days. Because when you work with nature's most potent healers, less is actually more. Ingredient number 1, Moringa, nature's multivitamin on steroids. Scientists call it the miracle tree, and for good reason. Listen to these numbers: 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, 4 times more calcium than milk, 4 times more vitamin A than carrots, plus 90 plus essential nutrients in every leaf. Moringa strengthens your muscles, supercharges your immune system, and naturally balances blood sugar. It's like a complete nutritional reset in plant form. Ingredient number 2, Ashwagandha, the ancient warrior's secret weapon. For centuries, warriors and yogis used this adaptogen to build supernatural stamina. Modern science backs it up. Clinical studies show ashwagandha reduces your stress hormone cortisol by up to 28%. It calms your nervous system without making you drowsy. It improves deep sleep quality. It literally rebuilds your energy reserves at the cellular level. This is not stimulation, this is rejuvenation. Ingredient number 3, cinnamon, the circulation powerhouse. Most people think cinnamon is just a kitchen spice. Wrong. Ancient healers knew it as powerful medicine. Cinnamon opens up your blood vessels, flooding every tissue with oxygen-rich blood. It regulates blood sugar perfectly, preventing those brutal energy crashes. It keeps your energy stable and sustained from morning till night. Now here's where the magic happens. When you combine these 3 herbs, you create what Ayurveda calls a rasayana, a complete cellular rejuvenation formula. Moringa supplies the raw materials, ashwagandha restores hormonal balance and nervous system function, and cinnamon ensures everything gets delivered efficiently. This is why this formula succeeds where isolated supplements fail miserably. Let me share something powerful. This is the real story of Mr. Khan, age 48. For 2 straight years, he suffered from debilitating fatigue, constant body aches, zero energy, complete inability to concentrate at work. He was falling apart. He tried everything: expensive imported multivitamins, premium protein powders, injections, you name it. He spent money on it. Result? Absolutely nothing. Zero improvement. He was desperate, frustrated, felt like his life was slipping away, his career suffering, his family relationships strained. He couldn't even play with his children anymore. Then he started this weekly formula. Week 1, subtle changes. Slightly better morning energy, body aches reduced a tiny bit. Week 2, boom, major transformation. He called me and said, "Doctor, I can't believe this. I feel like I'm 10 years younger. I have strength I haven't felt in years." By week 8, completely different person. Working productively, exercising regularly, playing with his kids every evening, laughing again, living again. Zero expensive supplements, no pills, just this simple weekly practice that addressed the root cause instead of hiding symptoms. "It's like someone recharged my life battery," he told me. "This is what real healing looks like." All right, let me walk you through exactly how to prepare this powerful energy decoction. Follow these steps carefully. Here's your shopping list. 1 glass of water, 250 milliliters, 1 tablespoon Moringa powder, half a tablespoon Ashwagandha powder, half a tablespoon cinnamon powder, optional, half a teaspoon raw honey or organic jaggery. Step 1, pour your water into a stainless steel or glass saucepan. Avoid aluminum or non-stick. Step 2, add all 3 herbal powders, stir thoroughly to prevent clumping. Make sure it's well mixed.
Step 3, this is crucial. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for exactly 10 minutes. Set a timer. This simmering process extracts the powerful fat-soluble compounds that make this formula work. Don't rush this. Under-simmering means weak potency. Over-simmering makes it bitter and destroys delicate compounds. 10 minutes. Perfect every time. Step 4, remove from heat, strain through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Let it cool to lukewarm, not hot, not cold. Lukewarm is ideal for absorption. Step 5, optional sweetening. If the taste is too strong for you, add half a teaspoon of raw honey or jaggery. But let me be honest with you, taking it plain is better. Why? Most honey sold today is fake, and jaggery adds heat that doesn't suit everyone, especially in summer. Your powerful energy elixir is ready, golden brown, aromatic, packed with thousands of healing compounds ready to transform your body. Dosage and timing. Now pay close attention to dosage and timing. This is where most people mess up. For 95% of people, once per week is perfect. Not twice, not 3 times, once. These herbs are incredibly potent. Weekly dosing allows your body to fully integrate the healing without building tolerance or dependency. For severe extreme weakness, twice per week maximum, and only under healthcare professional guidance. When should you take it? Option A, morning after breakfast, 9 to 10 a.m. Your digestive fire is strongest, provides sustained energy all day long. Option B, evening between 5 and 6 p.m., replenishes energy after work, prevents evening collapse. Option C, 1 to 2 hours after dinner, ashwagandha's calming properties might actually improve your sleep quality. Safety and precautions. Critical safety information. Do not skip this section, seriously. Who absolutely cannot take this? Pregnant women. Ashwagandha can trigger uterine contractions. Do not risk it. 0 exceptions. Breastfeeding mothers. We don't have enough research on effects in breast milk. Consult your doctor first. Medical conditions requiring clearance. High blood pressure. These herbs can interact with your medications. Thyroid disorders. Ashwagandha affects thyroid hormones directly. Autoimmune diseases may stimulate immune response inappropriately. Scheduled surgery? Stop this formula 2 weeks before. It affects blood sugar and blood pressure during procedures. Major drug interactions. Diabetes medications. This formula lowers blood sugar. Your meds may need adjustment. blood pressure medications can enhance or interfere with effects. Thyroid medications, levels may need monitoring and adjustment. Immunosuppressants may counteract their intended effects. The golden rule: never exceed recommended dosage. More does not equal faster results. Overdoing it causes digestive problems, hormonal imbalances, and reduced effectiveness. Quality matters tremendously. Buy organic herbal powders from reputable, certified sources, third-party tested if possible. Cheap products are adulterated and won't work. Key takeaways. Let's nail down the key points so you remember everything. Number 1, pills mask symptoms. Real energy comes from healing digestion, circulation, and nervous system simultaneously. Number 2, 3 herbs create synergy. Moringa for nutrition, ashwagandha for balance, cinnamon for delivery. Number 3, once per week is sufficient. These herbs work deep, give your body space to integrate. Number 4, always simmer for 10 minutes. This extracts maximum therapeutic compounds. Number 5, consistency beats frequency, 6 to 8 weeks minimum for full benefits. Number 6, not everyone should take this. Pregnant women, nursing mothers, and those with certain conditions need professional guidance. Number 7, support with good sleep, whole foods, hydration, and stress management for exponential results.
If this video opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're building a movement of people who refuse to accept pharmaceutical dependency. Check out our other videos on Ayurvedic healing, natural remedies, and holistic health strategies. There's an entire library of life-changing information waiting for you. Remember something important. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It knows how to heal. It knows how to generate energy. Sometimes it just needs the right support to remember. This is Health Morph, where we morph your health naturally, one powerful strategy at a time. Stay strong, stay natural, and I'll see you in the next transformation.